In this video you will learn how to make cutout stickers on Instagram. Let's dive right into it. I'm first going to show you how to create cutout stickers on Instagram by using your very own photos and images, and then I'm also going to show you how you can actually make cutout stickers on Instagram by using photos and images of Instagram stories by other users on Instagram. With that said, the first thing you want to do is to tap on the plus button at the bottom. Then tap on story. Don't worry, you don't need to publish a story right now, but this is necessary for us to create that cutout sticker. Next, tap on the camera roll icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Now select the image or video that you would like to use as the foundation of your story. If you only care about creating the sticker, you can actually choose whatever you want here. In my case, I'm going to use this cool smoke overlay right here. So I tap on it, and then we have to tap on done in the upper right corner of the screen. Now on top, tap on the stickers icon. And then tap on cutouts. You might see it down here in this list somewhere, but in my case, as I've already used it, it's here on top. So tap on cutouts, and next choose the image that you would like to use to make the cutout sticker. In my case here, I'm going with this picture right here, so I tap on it, and Instagram immediately creates that cutout sticker for us. If you're happy with the selection, you can tap on use sticker in the lower right corner of the screen, or you can also select manually here if you would like to have different borders for your cutout. Once you're happy, as I said, tap on use sticker. And this will first of all save our sticker, and secondly, it has been added on top of our footage here. So now you can move your sticker around like this, and if you pinch on with 2 fingers you can also change the size. You can also rotate it like this, and so on and so forth. So I'll just make it a little bit bigger, something like this, which looks pretty cool in my opinion. Now if I would like to post this as a story, I could obviously do that. However, in our case we don't want to do that, so we simply tap on the cross icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And we can either discard this altogether or save it as a draft. I will go with save draft for the moment, but it doesn't really matter. Now once again I will tap on the cross symbol in the upper left corner of the screen to go back to the home page on Instagram. As I told you guys, the sticker that we just created actually has been saved for us. Here's how you can verify that. First of all, at the bottom tap on the plus icon. Then make sure to choose story right here. Next tap on the camera roll icon in the lower left corner of the screen. And now choose the image or video that you would like to have as the foundation of your story. Now on top tap on the stickers icon. And as you can see under stickers here, the cutout sticker that we have created before is indeed saved and available for us right here. Now, as promised, I'm also going to show you how to create cutout stickers of still Instagram story pictures and images of other Instagram users. To do that, first of all, we're going to look for stories by tapping on the magnifying glass here at the bottom. Then on top, I'm going to search for a specific topic, for example, NFTs. Then we just tap on the story that contains the image that we would like to use for our cutout sticker, for example this one right here. So I tap on it. Next tap on the 3 vertical dots on the upper right side. And then tap on create a cutout sticker. And just like that, Instagram created an awesome cutout sticker for us. Next tap on save sticker in the lower right corner of the screen. And you're basically done. Now when we tap on the plus symbol at the bottom, and then tap on story. Next tap on the camera roll icon. Then select an image or video as the foundation of your Instagram story. And then on top tap on stickers. And sure enough, our new sticker appears right here, and it is all saved. And that's it guys, this is how you create cutout stickers on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials.